Hey kids, are you ready for a wild adventure into the animal kingdom? Some animals sleep during the day and hunt at night. Some can jump super high, or even change their color to hide. Sounds cool, right? Well, it's time to test your brain and have some fun with the Animal Quiz Challenge. Get your thinking caps on and let's find out how much you know about our furry, feathery, and scaly friends. Are you ready? Let's go!
I say, meow, I sleep during the day and play at night. Who am I?
Which animal can turn its head almost all the way around?
I fly at night and sleep upside down. Who am I?
I live in the sea, have 8 arms, and squirt ink. Who am I?
What is the slowest animal in the world?
I have a long trunk and big ears. I love water and mud. Who am I?
What animal is called man's best friend?
Which animal carries its home on its back?
Which animal can change color to hide?
I say, woof woof, and love to fetch. Who am I?
Which animal can jump the highest?
What animal goes quack quack and swims in ponds?
I live in the jungle and roar loudly. Who am I?
Which animal has black and white stripes?
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes.